Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugin, Add New Plugin, search Envato Elements. Click the first plugin. Click the Install Now. Then activate. Go to Elements. Click Template Kits. Go to Installed Kits. Upload Template Kit zip file. Import the first template. Click on Install Requirements. Install selected requirements. Now import templates. Open Dashboard. Click the pages. Click the All Pages. Add New Page. Go to Plugin. Add New Plugin. Install first plugin. Then activate. Go to Pages. Add New Page. Add Title Home. Then Publish. Click the Edit with Elementor. Click the folder. Go to My Templates. Click the Insert. Apply Settings. Then Publish. Click the Visit website. Click Home. Open Dashboard. Go to Settings, click Reading, select Home Page, Save changes. Click the page. Add new page. Add title blogs. Then publish. Click the edit with Elementor. Click the folder. Go to my templates. Click the insert. Apply settings. Then publish. Go to pages, add new page, add title, about us. Then publish. Click the edit with Elementor. Click the folder. Go to my templates. Click the insert. Apply settings. Then publish. Test website. Click the link in the bio to sign up wplearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.